up, everybody, and welcome to my mini resin unboxing video. I am currently up in the attic. Like, no joke, I'm up in the attic. It's chill in here. So I've got a bunch of mini bags, the mini resin bags, and then in here, I have not got a teddy bear in here. I just use the box. I've got all these mini resins. I think this one's my favourite. Like a red glittery. Like, I've got lots of pumpkin and also like a hedgehog and whatever, turtle. I've got like 2 red mushrooms. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So let's get into unboxing these. Alright, bag one. Bag one. Let's see what I get. Alright, what am I getting? What am I getting? What's this? Got. Hey, hold up. Like whatever this is. Alright. Into the collection. Mystery bag 2. Okay. Oh, I got a pink horse. Wait, that's pretty cool. Hold up. I got a pink horse. I've got a pink horse. Bag 3. Oh, what's this? Blue. Is that a cow? I think this is a cow, not gonna lie. I think that's a cow. Into the collection. Alright, bag 4. I'm gonna... Wait, you wanna see my mystery? That's what you call lots of mystery bags. Wait. Okay, this one. Hold up. I've got some empty ones mixed up, but that's fine. Okay. Bag 4. Wait. 4. I've lost track already. And it's only been like a minute. Or 2 minutes now. Basically, it's 2 minutes now. Or longer, I don't know. It's been 2 minutes since I've... That's like a bunny with its... That's like a bunny with its ears down. That's pretty cool. It's the collection. Bag 4, I'm going to do a lucky dip. Give me something good, come on. I used to be a pro at these. Lucky dip. This is bag 5, I'm pretty sure. I got a duplicate. Wait, I'm gonna give my sister an incoming delivery. Okay, that was a duplicate. I'm not too great at them. It's kind of a lie saying that's good. I got something pink. What's this? What's that? I think that's a type of bird. Yeah, look at that. It's like a pink bird thing. I realised I didn't do it in the collection thing for 2 of them. That kind of sucks anyway. Mystery bag 7? Yeah, I think we're on number 7. Something green, what is it? I got a green dinosaur! No joke, I've just got a green dinosaur. That's pretty sick. Got a green dinosaur. This is... Hold up. Alright, so this is feeling like another bunny. No, it's another duplicate. Wait, or is that yellow? Wait, is that yellow or am I tripping? That's yellow. Wait. It's a different colour. I've got a yellow. Okay, okay, that's good. It's a close-up. It's a yellow dino. I'm really hoping for something red. We haven't got anything red yet. Into the collection. Alright, I'm not going to say mystery bag because, like, I can't be bothered. This is looking pink, I think. Oh, it's a purple. Purple cat. I got a purple cat. I just got a purple cat. That's pretty sick. Into the collection. Sorry, I zoomed in way too much. I'm gonna do 2 at once. Just so we can speed up the process a little bit. Well, one just came flying out. This guy just came. Alright, yo. Look at this guy. He just tried to escape. Okay. Into the collection. Okay. Now for the other bag. This guy didn't escape. I got another one. I got another pink horse. All right, I'm giving that one to my sister. She has to get that, and she's like all the way down there. Wait, should we see? Hold up, you're near it. All right, there. Give you a little help. All right, you knocked me down. Now it's just a game of Where's Waldo.
Do you think that's making a noise?
Okay, next thing. That was a little bit of a delay. Another purple cat. We don't need a close-up of that. No, I've already gave you one. Okay, it's the same one that tried to escape, except I think it's a different colour. Hold on, I'm trying to find him. What is he? Hold up, where is he? I'm trying to. Yeah, this one's yellow, I think. Into the. All right, another one. Yeah, I'm speed running this. I got purple ratatouille. Okay, let's go. Let's keep going. No more close-ups. Unless it's something like really good. Alright, I've got a pink cow that's laying down. Next one. Okay. What's this? Purple pig lying down. Okay. I've just got these 2. Alright, in you go. I'm surprised I ain't got any ducks yet. Okay, next one. Oh god, you almost fell down the attic. The exact same one that tried to escape. I think it's a different colour though. Alright, we're speed running this. Let's go. Something blue, I think. Oh, it's cute. I'm getting there. Look at that. Oh my god, you can barely see it. Hold up. Look at that. Into my collection. Next one. Well, save up some pocket money then. You want a purple? You want a purple bunny?
No, give me the cat, I said.
Purple bunny. Alright, this one. This one feels good. This one feels like a pretty good shape. I got another pony. 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 Into the galaxy. Next one. Go look at.
Don't get things from having a straw. Dan, I don't want any rubbish left up there.
Yo, I got a pink bird. Look at that pink bird. It's a collection. I need more ducks. I want more ducks. I get that ducks are common, but I want more ducks. Alright, it's one of them birds. Except it's blue. I got a blue duck. And you haven't. Well, you might have a blue duck, but... Next one. Ignore my sister crying. She's crying because I haven't gave her another one. Even though she only said she wanted one. Is that another pony? I got another pony. I got another pony. I got another pony. Another pony. I'm getting tired. How many did I order? 50? Okay, this will only take ages. No! I think this is like one of the nut collectors. Yes, it is a nut collector. I think. Squirrel, that's the name, Squirrel. Collector check. Oh crap, nope, they're falling. Nope. Where'd you go? Nope. Get your ass back in. I swear. Another pony. I got another pony. I got a blue pony. How many ponies have I got?
Oh, he's got lots of ponies, is he? You definitely won't want the ponies.
What? No, I like the ponies. I've got loads though. I've already... Hazy. Alright. I mean, I want more ponies now. Let's see what I get. I can't tell what's non-opened and what is opened. I got these off a TikTok shop, by the way. I got a pink cat. Meow, 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 meow. What am I doing? Oh. Where the hell did that even come from? I've got like 20 more. I've pink rabbit. I'm getting the same ones over and over again. Oh, that's sick. Look at that.
Why don't you go and chill out and watch some TV?
I've got like a bluish fish. Wait, no, it's green actually, chat. Oh, chat, I'm really tempted for this. There's cotton candy. There's cotton candy. Alright, while I'm waiting for them, I need to talk to them. Another type of fish.
Okay.
I'm gonna get close up of that. We got. Look at that. That's actually pretty cool. Alright, next one. I got a pink fish. a pretty good mini resin colour. Another. Wait, what? I think I've already got that. I can't tell. Alright, so pick which one you want. No, just pick which one you want. This is proof I'm giving her. Oh. 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 Sorry, chat, I've switched phones. So, the audio might be different. Everything might be different. By the way, my sister didn't want this. Or this. More unboxing! One of these again. No! It broke! It broke! It literally broke! Oh my god, it broke! Oh no, no. Izzy, you want a crab? No. What is this crap? This feels big. I swear to God, if I got a giant bunny. It's a purple fish. Oh my God, wait. We're down to like the last couple. Oh my God. I'm not looking for that one. Where is it? I barely felt it well. Green one, he ain't broken though, so that's good.
No, be quiet.
Okay, got like this little bear. No. I got the pink cow. I think that's a duplicate. Bunny. That. Can't get any close-ups, but like, look at that. Alright, second to last one. Wait, this is the last one. Okay, let's go. You ready? What?
Where are you?
Last one. Alright. I think that's all. I think that's all. That is all 50 of them. There's all 50 of them. So these are all of them. Cool close-up shots. I don't know how that's looking. There we go, chat. Thank you for watching the unboxing.